Hi everyone, Tom here from TK Arts, and today I've got a little unboxing for you. Well, I say that I unboxed it last week, but I had a new package arrive today. Anyway, last week this box arrived, and in here we have the world's best, certainly for Circus Workshops, the world's best spinning plates. Okay, these are spinning plates made by a lady in the UK called Cathy Valentine. I ordered red, yellow and blue plates, and as you can see I've got some red, yellow and blue plates. Now Cathy has been making these plates for about 30 years now, and I've been buying them from her for about that amount of time, and although I have bought plates made by other companies before, these, in my opinion, are the best for Circus Workshops. Up until very recently as well, they come with this white plastic flexi stick. So it's slightly flexible, but you know, it's not, there are some sticks that are really bendy, and I don't like those. So I'll just show you how to spin a plate. If you don't know, one way of doing it is like this. Some people call it the professional way. Personally, I just call it another way. You could do that by holding the stick like this. You could do it by holding the stick with your finger up the stick and drawing a circle with your finger. It doesn't really matter. Once you get the plate spinning, you could spin it on your finger. You could use your finger as the stick and just spin it on your finger. You could, of course, just throw it back onto the stick and catch it on the stick. You could try balancing the stick with the plate on the stick on your finger like this. Always look at the top of what you balance. Never look at your hand, always look at the top. You could also try throwing the plate in the air and catching. A slightly higher throw is easier than a very small throw. You could also try this trick here. Oh, very good. And one more time. Yeah, excellent. So, that is Cathy's spinning plate. Now, I've got, how many did I order here? 25 spinning plates for 25 sticks. However, these sticks are the very last of the white plastic flexi sticks that Cathy will be selling. She's not selling them anymore. She sent me this number here, 22 different lengths of sticks. So these are the very last white plastic flexi spinning plate sticks you can buy from Cathy. What you're now going to get when you pay £2.75 for a stick and a plate is you're going to get these sticks, which are black flexi spinning plate sticks. A different supplier, apparently. The other supplier wanted to charge 2 or 3 times as much as he used to for the white spinning plate sticks. So now they're black. They're slightly shorter than the traditional white ones. You can see here. Oh no, that's exactly the same length. I have been told they're slightly shorter. Yeah, marginally shorter. Let's try another one. Maybe these are different lengths. Ah, yeah, that's definitely shorter. Okay. Anyway, so the black stick, you'll also notice, has got a pointier end, which on the one hand will probably mean it'll spin a bit quicker, but also it means that we have to do another safety demonstration with the children to make sure they don't poke them in their eyes. Right, now Cathy also sent me this wonderful looking ribbon stick. It isn't an item that I would traditionally work with. I like to teach juggling and plate spinning and balancing and flower stick and sometimes Diablo, but this is a ribbon stick, and I'm not sure how much skill is involved. I've never really used one. I don't actually own any other than this one, but I think having used it earlier, and I'm just going to try it now, I might buy some. They only cost £2 each. Slight discount for you if you're going to buy it in bulk from Cathy. I have to talk to her about that. But £2 retail price for one of these, I think it's rather marvellous. Let's see if I can do it with a spinning plate at the same time. I say at the same time, different hands, obviously. I do have to reach down for the stick. Oh, I've got a black stick, okay. Right, oh, that's going off camera, never mind. Right, well, I don't know how we're going to get, oh God. Now, the problem with ribbon sticks, I suspect, is that they're going to get into knots very easily. So, multitask, let's just concentrate on one thing at a time. Okay. Yeah, so I guess these are going to get really tied up in knots, but we'll see. I'll probably order some today. So there's a stick, ribbon stick, and a spinning plate at the same time. Oh dear, let's try that again. Ribbon stick, spinning plate at the same time. Yay!